Fatty liver disease affects millions worldwide, with its prevalence steadily rising. But fear not, because there's hope in the form of superfoods. Welcome to the channel, guys, where we delve into the top 6 superfoods scientifically proven to combat fatty liver and restore your health. From nutrient-packed greens to antioxidant-rich berries, these superfoods are not only delicious, but also powerful allies in your fight against fatty liver. So, if you're ready to take charge of your health and incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your diet, stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to a healthier liver and a happier you. Let's dive in. Starting with number 6, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and collard greens are super healthy. They're full of good stuff like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that keep you healthy. Eating these greens is important for a good diet. They help your liver work well, which is important for staying healthy. Leafy greens have a lot of fiber, which helps your stomach digest food and makes you feel full. This can help you manage your weight and stop too much fat from building up in your liver. They also have vitamins like vitamin C, which helps your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. The antioxidants in leafy greens, like beta-carotene and lutein, fight against bad stuff in your body that can make you sick. They also have other things like chlorophyll and glucosinolates that help your liver get rid of bad stuff from your body. Eating leafy greens regularly as part of your meals helps keep your liver healthy, gets rid of bad stuff from your body, and lowers your chances of getting sick. Adding different types of leafy greens to your meals makes them tasty and good for you. Let's move on to number 5, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are not just tasty, they're also really good for you. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, which your body needs to stay healthy, including your liver. Omega-3 fatty acids are famous for fighting inflammation, and when you eat fatty fish, you're giving your liver a big dose of this inflammation-fighting power. Studies show that omega-3s can help reduce fat in your liver, ease inflammation, and make your body more sensitive to insulin. This means eating fatty fish regularly could help lower your risk of liver problems like NAFLD and NASH, as well as type 2 diabetes. People who eat fatty fish often tend to have lower levels of liver enzymes, which is a good sign that their liver is working well. High levels of these enzymes can mean your liver is damaged or inflamed. Including different kinds of fatty fish in your meals is not only yummy, but also a great way to keep your liver happy and your body healthy. Before we continue to the next superfood on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Number 4 on our list is avocados. Avocados are not just tasty, they're also really good for your liver. They're full of healthy fats, like monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart and overall health. Plus, they're packed with fiber and antioxidants, making them a smart choice for a healthy diet. One of the best things about avocados for your liver is that they're loaded with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Glutathione helps your liver get rid of bad stuff from your body by fighting harmful free radicals and getting rid of toxins. By eating avocados, you're giving your liver extra help in staying strong and getting rid of harmful things from your body. Avocados also have a mix of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that all work together to keep your liver healthy. The fiber helps with digestion and makes you feel full, while the antioxidants fight inflammation and damage caused by harmful substances. Whether you eat avocados on toast, in salads, or in smoothies, they're a tasty and versatile way to take care of your liver. Eating avocados regularly can help protect your liver and keep you healthy in the long run. Bringing us to number 3, walnuts. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids like ALA, which are really important for reducing fat in your liver, easing inflammation, and keeping your liver working well. Adding walnuts to your diet gives you a boost of these healthy fats to keep your liver happy. But that's not all. Walnuts are also loaded with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, which fight off harmful stuff in your body that can damage your liver. By getting rid of these bad guys and protecting your liver cells, walnuts help keep your liver healthy and lower your chances of getting liver diseases like NAFLD and NASH. On top of that, walnuts have arginine, an amino acid that helps your liver detoxify ammonia. a harmful substance that builds up when your body breaks down protein. By helping your liver get rid of ammonia, walnuts support your liver's important jobs and help detoxify your body. Whether you snack on them, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to baked goods, walnuts are a tasty and easy way to take care of your liver and stay healthy. Making walnuts a regular part of your diet can give your liver the support it needs and add a delicious touch to your meals. Let's move on to number 2, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries are not just tasty snacks. They're also super good for your liver. These colorful fruits are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help protect your liver from damage and keep it working well. The antioxidants in berries, like anthocyanins, are really important for shielding your liver from oxidative stress caused by harmful free radicals. Oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and damage to your liver, but eating berries can help reduce these effects. Plus, berries have anti-inflammatory properties that further help keep your liver healthy, which is important for conditions like NAFLD and hepatitis. Whether you eat them fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, berries are a delicious and easy way to take care of your liver and improve your overall health. By making berries a regular part of your diet, you can get all the great antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits they offer, keeping your liver in top shape for the long haul. Number 1, we have green tea. Green tea isn't just a refreshing drink, it's also really good for your liver. This ancient beverage is full of catechins, a special type of antioxidant that helps your liver work better and reduces fat buildup. By drinking green tea every day, you can give your liver a boost and improve your overall health. Catechins in green tea have been studied a lot, and they've been shown to make your liver function better and reduce the amount of fat in it. Regularly drinking green tea can lower the fat content in your liver and improve levels of liver enzymes, which are signs of a healthy liver. Plus, the antioxidants in green tea protect your liver cells from damage caused by harmful substances in your body, making your liver stronger and better at its job. Green tea also helps speed up your metabolism, which can help you manage your weight and keep your liver healthy. By making green tea a regular part of your routine, you can benefit from its powerful antioxidants, improve your liver function, and boost your metabolism. Thanks for watching our video on the top 6 superfoods to combat fatty liver. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. Remember, incorporating these superfoods into your diet can make a big difference in supporting liver health and overall well-being. Don't wait any longer. Start using them now to take control of your health and fight fatty liver. For more tips and health-related content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care.